So cute. Welcome to my channel. I'm at Bend and attending a event at the Motorplex. So security check my bag. Alcohol. Hopefully we are going to see some dragster. Right now I'm seeing a t-shirt with the dragster. So I'm entering into the race.
Signing autographs now. Harmon and Mitch Dilling.
Dragster, as you can see, I will take you to the. Oh, so this is a truck. Unreal, by the way. So it's saying world fastest Hellfire. So cute. Oh, these are the funny cars. Wicked Willy. I like the truck in the back end. So maintenance is going on another dragster over here. It's unreal.
Got me into the leverage racing page site.
See the engine over here. Another funny car. They're working on it right now. I think they are doing the tune-ups. So beautiful. I've never been so much close to the dragster, so this is unbelievable, by the way. This is how it looks like from inside. Unreal. So they're working on it. Looks also very nice, very colorful. I like the color combination. Very nice. This is looking so cute.
You guys can go down there and look at the other car too.
This is another car. Turbo engine of this vehicle.
Figure it out. Okay, so how much are you selling for yours? 5.
Okay, you can see this car, Pat George. And then another dragster. Very beautiful. This is 1981. People come over all from Ontario. Last minute checks. Two more dragsters and very beautiful color combination for both of them. Very nice. So now I'm going to the very close to the starting position. So that I can show you. dragster versus dragster. This is going to be interesting. Okay, now I'm again going through the lineups over here. The good thing is like you can go very close to the cars and everything, which I like. You have access to lots of things.
Before he comes up for the next one. We do have more qualifying.
I'm seeing some very funny and
We've got another qualifying at that time.
Yeah, another possibility of Kevin there.
She's a
lining
sweet
up.
young lady, and certainly a super nice gal. Boy, oh boy, very hard to do, highly unusual, a true champion, third generation racer. She's going to go places.
thank you.
John Scar's small motor is huge. He has run
New record, track record, pro modified 362.
So this car is getting ready.
Underdale 4.
driving there, eh, Larry?
Good pass, a
Yeah.
380.
Harmon and Mitch Dilling. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be Mitch taking the win with 640. Rick Davies down at Corona in the 78 Camaro, ready to do a burnout.
Very up and close with the